What's up, YouTube? Welcome to episode number 19 of Brian's 90-day weight loss challenge, a journey to lose 60 pounds in 90 days. Today is Healthy Meal Monday. It's all about accountability. Let's go. All right, YouTube. I've had a whole lot of stuff going on lately, so it's been a whole week since I've been able to put out a video. So I'm ready to get right to it. But let me give a quick shout out to all of you all who continue to show me love and support on my comments, phone calls, text messages. I just want you to know you're greatly appreciated. I want to give a special shout out to Guy Dogan and NCSS, the National Christian Single Seminar, for continuously posting my videos on your page in support of what I'm trying to do. I'm looking forward to seeing you all August 30th through September 2nd in Nashville, Tennessee, the Music City. Today is Healthy Meal Monday, the day that I highlight a healthy meal alternative to the sometimes unhealthy choices that we make. Today, we're gonna fire up the grill because we're gonna make grilled pineapple chicken skewers. Let's go. In order to make the grilled pineapple chicken skewers, this is everything that you'll need. We'll start by cutting 3 large chicken breasts into 1-inch cubes. Next, add the chicken pieces into a large glass bowl. In another bowl, we'll add 1/2 cup of chicken broth, 1 cup of soy sauce, 3 tablespoons of orange juice, half a teaspoon of ground ginger, and half a teaspoon of garlic powder. This will serve as our marinade. Once the marinade is stirred up, we'll add it to our chicken. We'll cover it and allow it to marinate in the refrigerator for 4 hours. All right, so my chicken has been marinating for about 4 or 5 hours. I came outside, got my grill fired up. I'm gonna let those coals settle down a little bit. I'm about to go inside and cut my vegetables up, get my vegetables, pineapples, and that chicken on the skewers. And we're gonna cook them bad boys. All right, I'm gonna cut my vegetables into about 1-inch cubes, starting with my red pepper. I got some green peppers. Red onions, pineapples, and our marinated chicken. Now I will begin placing the red peppers, the green peppers, the red onions, the pineapple, and the marinated chicken onto the skewers. Man, I got all my skewers hooked up. All right, here we go. Time to put the skewers on the grill. All right, let's see what we looking like. Oh yeah, those looking good. I got my parsley chopped up real good. Spread a little bit over these skewers. All right, y'all. This is the moment I've been waiting on. Oh man, that chicken is so tender. Oh man. The green peppers are fresh. With sweet, warm pineapples. This is awesome. Pineapple, grilled chicken skewer. It's all about accountability. If you have a suggestion for a meal that you could recommend for a healthy meal Monday, leave it in the comments below. Please share this video if you like it and hit the like button if you like it. Again, until next time, peace.